Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with my son.
Hi.
Today we're gonna show you that it's easy and it's good for your children to help out in the kitchen. So today we're doing some southern fried chicken, and it's really good to help your kids to learn from young that they can come around the kitchen, they can help out, they can contribute to what you're doing in the kitchen. So my son enjoys coating the chicken, dipping it in the egg, putting it in the flour. So yeah, we're going to show you that you can get your kids involved in pretty much everything you're doing at home. I normally do, but now I've decided to show you some video clips of what we are like at home. Normally we just get on with it. So yeah, today we're going to use some southern fried chicken, and I'm sure he's excited to show you his good work. So I'm behind the scenes, and he's going to dip and coat his chicken. As you can see, we've already set up. We've got the chicken nice and stripped. I hate skin, so and then he's going to dip that in the egg that's been seasoned, and the flour's also been seasoned. And once he's dipped them and coat them in the flour, guys, he just puts them aside, and I'll put them in the oil because it's hot, and you need to add it to help you with this. So there he goes. He loves doing this, guys. Okay, well, Quan gets on with that. I could get on with something else. This is how good it is when you get your kids involved. It's a lot of help, as you can see. Sorry about this, guys. I'm trying to position my camera so you can see what he's doing. So yeah, parents, don't be shy to get the kids involved, It's good for them. I started getting my son involved in the kitchen from he was about 9, and he's 12 now, and he loves it. He can actually cook a full meal without mom, so I'm really proud of him. And I want to share it with you guys that it's possible to get your kids involved. Okay, you can put them on here, fine. You can put them on there, yeah? That's fine. Move on. So he's just going to get these coated. I'm going to let him coat a few of them before I put it in the oil. My oil's being heated up over there. I'm going to sort of deep fry them in the clove garlic. Make your chicken come out beautiful. Then we're going to preheat the oven. We have to be careful, guys, because it's hot. We need adults to help us with this bit, because we don't want to get burnt in the kitchen. So you always listen to your parents, and you can have fun cooking with mom. Look at him. He's getting all stuck in. Look at him. He's so concentrated. Okay, so I'm going to let him coat a few chicken, and then we'll be back in a flash. Okay guys, so we've coated all the chicken, as you can see at the end, on top of the yellow container lid. And now I'm just here peeling some spuds while my son keeps an eye on the progress of our chicken. They're looking beautiful so far. He's happy about his job. I'm happy with his job. So we're just going to crack on, get everything on, and then when they're nice and golden brown, we'll come back and we'll show you the end results. So stay tuned. Hi guys, so we're back, and I'm going to show you how this one is sitting. How beautifully coated this chicken off. One. Yes, later. Nice and golden brown. You should put some paper. Huh? I'm happy with these, guys. Really golden brown. He's done a good job with his coating skills. Ladies, single parents, mothers out there, you don't just teach your women or your daughters how to cook, you teach your boys as well. It's more essential that you treat your boys, teach your boys how to cook and be men from young. And I've taught my son that from a young age, and he's always in the kitchen with me now. So, I'll show you the finishing product when we're done. New update, guys. So we've done everything. We put the chicken in the oven. We're going to go ahead and just pull it out real quick and check on it. Everything's looking good, nice and golden brown. So I'm just going to carry on with making some gravy, some onions and Scotch bonnet pepper. Hot, guys. So be careful. So today we're just making a very simple meal. We're just going to have some mashed potatoes. So frying my onions up. We're going to get my ketchup ready. And some chili, some black pepper, and a little bit of dry thyme. So I'm going to crack on with making my gravy, guys, and when the finishing product's done, I'll come back and show you. So I've got him loading the dishwasher, guys. This boy never likes loading the dishwasher ever. It's so simple. It's literally put the dishes in, put the capsule in, and start the dishwasher. And he finds it such a task. I swear. Trying to get the kids involved. It's never really easy, guys, but when you do get them involved, it's a nice feeling. And when they see the end result, they feel really proud to know that they got involved. So yeah, we loaded the dishwasher. We're about to clean up after ourselves as we've done everything. The gravy's doing, and we're nearly done. So I've got this one here, loading the dishwasher. He's so lazy. When he's ready anyway. When he's up for it, is. So guys, Kwan's mashed the potatoes. He's actually done that by himself. So we've mashed the potatoes, he's coated the chicken, so all his handiwork is now coming to an end. We're about to plate up and then we'll show you the finishing look. Okay guys, so the finishing dish, there's his dinner, and he's happy with his results and he got involved and he's happy. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment and subscribe down below, and we got more videos coming your way. Bye. Say bye, Kwan. Bye. Bye, guys.